लीगल सीजन 3 दोबारा आ रहा है आपको एंटरटेन करने, ढेर सारी लीगलिटीज लेकर और ढेर सारा ड्रामा लेकर। और ऐसे में इस वक्त हमारे साथ है नेहा और नील। सो नील इज अ न्यू एडिशन आई वुड से।
Yes, he is.
So
Season
please-
3 new edition.
सो पहले सबसे तो नील आप ही से जानना चाहूंगी कि क्या, क्योंकि दो सीजन हम देख चुके हैं, बहुत ही बेहतरीन रहे हैं, लोगों को ये लीगल ड्रामा बेहद पसंद आया है।
Yes.
सो क्या यही एक रीजन था ज्वाइन करने का, या फिर व्हाट वाज द एग्जैक्ट रीजन?
Actually, apart from Neha Sharma being one of the number one reasons to collaborate with, legal dramas are one of my favorites. और जब ये offer आया था and they were like, would you be interested? I read it. I was so interested. I was also interested in the other cases जो है. So for me, especially when deciding if I want to watch the program, if it interests me to that level, then I want to be part of it.
And
He's
Neha,
really sweet.
how was you are the reason behind,
They're all
a
very
good
kind
one.
to me, and I didn't pay him anything to say that. So
That's true.
yes, he's a sweetheart.
But then how was it having him on board? And क्योंकि already आप 2 season shoot कर चुकी हैं, and having somebody new and then gelling up and then sharing that equation because he is somewhere playing your client.
Yes, he is. So I have a special corner for him. I feel Neil as an actor is very effortless. And I think, like he said, I think he likes to play a character that he loves, obviously. And I think this one is very interesting because from the beginning till the end, you don't know what he is all about. So there's a lot of guessing game on the show this time with Neil. I feel like they work so beautifully on his look. He's playing this character who looks all Nawab and cool and suave. So I feel like Neil's brought that little sexy element to the show. And I think all the women on the set were like, wow, we love Neil's look. So that was a beginning impression that we all had, the appearance. And then, of course, we felt like he just got into the character so easily. And we were like, wow, this is the perfect casting. And of course, he adds a lot of freshness to season 3. There are a few new additions in season 3, and that makes it even more exciting for the viewers.
मतलब मेरा सवाल यही रहेगा कि नेहा के मुंह से निकला है you were the sexy element on the shooting set.
नहीं, वो मेरे words नहीं है, वो set पे लड़कियों के words हैं. I'm
maybe.
just passing the comments up ahead here.
Yeah, it is definitely teamwork. To Dadi jo tha, and it was like
The entire look.
the entire look, and the character is also something that I've never played before. Is tarah ke, like he's very cocky, very aggressive, foul mouth, and our director Sahir Raza just had to beat me to get like the bad guy out. I was just trying to be like the good guy all throughout. He's like, Neil, you're not Neil.
Yeah.
Okay, you're Dushyant Singh Rathod. And yeah, I mean, even a big shout out to Samar Khan for, is it In 10 or IN 10?
What do you mean?
The production.
Juggernaut is a chain now?
Well, Juggernaut and IN 10.
Okay. I have no idea. Because Juggernaut was Summer's production from
Yeah.
the word go.
Right.
In season 1. I don't know. A lot of things have changed. Now we are on Geo Cinema.
But just just the entire khel of it. Every time we do a scene, also, it was so mazedar because we really get into it. We'd come with our own preparations, but then Sahir made us like we would aram se rehearse till we get the dynamics right. And once in a while, Samar would Sahir would handle the camera as well. And there was some Fado technology also, na?
Because I started as a DOP,
Yes.
so I think that side comes out
Yes.
from time to time. He's the director though.
Okay. But then please tell us कि क्योंकि आपकी तो ऑलरेडी एक अच्छी खासी दोस्ती हो गई रहेगी 2 सीजन शूट करते करते बाकियों से. How was it for you कि आप किस तरह से जेल अप करें बाकियों से? How was it shooting also? मतलब क्योंकि इतना फिर 2 सीजन आप शूट कर लेते हो, फिर आप काफी ज्यादा जान जाते हो एक दूसरे को.
हाँ, वो I don't know वो ज़्यादा अच्छी चीज़ है या नहीं. That's debatable because in the beginning you tend to like everybody and then
Yes.
वो reality उनकी बाहर आनी शुरू होती है. Then you I'm not sure if everybody's likable, but yeah, a certain amount of comfort's there. So when we come back to season 3, we just felt like, yeah, we left it yesterday and we are back. It almost feels like family. You know everybody too well. Like, you don't like sometimes a family member, but you know them so well, you know how to deal with them. So I think that was the case with me and the people who were there in season 1 and then season 2. But of course, the new entrants, it's always more fun with them because you're still getting to know them, and there's a nice, interesting chemistry which happens because you don't know them so well.
And how was it for you dwelling up
For
with
me,
them? क्योंकि
old-
already थोड़ा group शायद बन गया होगा.
हाँ, लेकिन एक एडवांटेज था, their group are already friends of mine. Satu, Akshay, and Piyush Ji and I, we didn't have any scenes. मैं request कर रहा था, like, just put me in passing or something, you know. Then I just pass by, so that one day at least shoot pay we can have lunch together or just hang out together.
I think he'll be here today.
Oh, fantastic! So at least interviews में, and Ira Dubey plays my wife in the show, so
Yeah.
we
She's
know each other.
fabulous
That
also.
yeah, it was good. It was good.
But then नेहा प्लीज टेल अस, क्योंकि हम देख रहे हैं कि किस तरह से कितने स्ट्रॉन्ग कैरेक्टर लिखी गई है आपकी प्रीवियसली भी. बट देन डू यू थिंक कि और भी कई सारे ऐसे कोर्टरूम ड्रामा के सीरीज आ रहे हैं और इसी तरह के स्ट्रॉन्ग वुमेन कैरेक्टर्स लिखे जा रहे हैं, बट देन समवेयर इट बिकम्स अ लिटिल बोरिंग एज वेल फॉर व्यूअर्स कि यार हर कोई कोर्टरूम ड्रामा ही डिलीवर कर रहा है. सो
I'm
व्हाट डू यू
amazed
थिंक?
that you, being a woman, are asking that because over the years, in
Yes.
decades, we've only had men and men
Yes.
and men.
Yes.
We never got bored of men, but suddenly,
no,
after
my
all the
question here
struggle,
is-
we have women-oriented stuff being made because women want to see it. So I don't want a woman to get bored so easily.
No, we are not bored. My question here is कि how do you segregate the drama content? कि मतलब नहीं हमारा अलग content है.
देखिए, जब इलीगल शुरू हुआ था, which was pre-COVID, ठीक है, कोविड में रिलीज हुआ था, उस वक्त OTT was not even a thing. You know, OTT आ रहा था धीरे धीरे.
Yes.
So I felt at that point बहुत बड़ी बात थी जब इलीगल हुआ था. women oriented stuff नहीं बनते थे. 2-4 फिल्में बनती थी and you would see a Vidya Balan or that kind of an actor being
True.
in it. So very far and few roles were there और वो बहुत ही selected few को जाते थे. And when illegal was written, I was actually amazed when they came to me and I'm like, wow, you're doing something which is like this. So at that point, बहुत बड़ी बात थी मेरे लिए, and I was like, wow, I don't know if it's going to change, but we are working towards a change. And today when I see there's a crew, there's Jaane Jaan and a million others, I'm sure, which you've seen and you're referring to, I feel that women-oriented stuff is being made, and I'm glad that it is. जहाँ तक बाकी legal shows की बात है, I think illegal is the best, and
Yes, it is.
we
Number
worked
one.
very hard on it. So I want people to see illegal because we were the first few to start off in this genre, and we just want to say that we were the pioneers sort of in this.
Yes, it is also because when I say कि मतलब ये जो आपका कैरेक्टर है वो बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग है, it is also because वो जो हम पढ़ते हैं प्रोटैगनिस्ट के बारे में, वो एक हीरो नहीं रह गया है. It is somebody who leads the show. So
I'm
that's what I
nothing
meant.
against men and women. I'm not a feminist. I might sound like one, but all I meant was, you know, OTT के आने से एक बात हुई है that जो scripts लिखी जा रही हैं, वो सेटअप नहीं है. वो एक स्क्रिप्ट है और ये फलाना आदमी इसमें फिट बैठता है तो उसको कास्ट कर लेते हैं. ये नहीं है कि भाई आप कितने बड़े स्टार हैं, आपका बॉक्स ऑफिस पुल क्या है, वो सब चीज़ें इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं रखती है OTT में अभी तक तो, एटलीस्ट बिकॉज इट्स डायरेक्टर्स मीडियम जहाँ पे वो फ्रीली किसी को भी कास्ट कर सकते हैं. आई फील over the years, जब से OTT का advent हुआ, I feel like such amazing actors have come up, you know, new actors, new talent, whether it's Lapata Ladies, whether it's Panchayat, and you know the rest. You know, उनको शायद box office पे वो काम करने नहीं मिलता जो अभी मिल रहा है. So I feel it's a great place that we are in right
It's a
now.
great medium. Neil, please tell us, because इस बार आपका एडिशन हुआ है तो we are expecting कि कुछ तो धमाल होगा, कुछ तो मसाला आपका कैरेक्टर लेकर आएगा. Please unveil something on that.
Roshni, we're living in a very interesting time. क्योंकि पहले there was only single cinemas. Then there were multiplexes in the early 2000s. और अब हर किसी के जेब में एक screen है. There are different genres, of course, as you know. There's thrillers, there's action, there's comedy, and there is a alag hi genre, which is this courtroom drama, which is a foolproof kind of formula. And इस season illegal season 3 में there are 3 or 4 tracks जहाँ पे that
are
अलग अलग
three major
case
court
three
cases.
3 major court cases, and the drama and the politics of the original players जो है, so it's like multi-layer. And for me, just to be having the responsibility of one case, जहाँ पे it was so interesting to play. I remember Delhi में we shot गर्मी में. It was like a polo ground,
Yeah.
and that scene, like everybody's dressed up so well, pasina's going, but it was so much fun. And जो खेल है इसमें, it is just too fantastic, because at least our characters, each one's trying to be smarter than the other. Each one's trying to be rude, but matlab,
Still
फिर भी,
politically
yeah,
correct.
polite and correct. So I think that just per scene, if you watch, it's very enjoyable.
बिल्कुल ऑल्सो बिकॉज क्योंकि हम जब लीगल ड्रामा देखते हैं हमें बहुत सारे ऐसे टर्म्स पता चलते हैं जो कि रियल वर्ल्ड में वी कांट इवन रिलेट टू
Yeah.
Yeah.
मतलब ह्यूमन
We don't use
वी
them,
डोंट
yeah.
यूज देम वी डोंट नो देम सो हाउ वाज इट फॉर यू कि यार अच्छा ये लॉ भी है ये
बहुत
राइट भी
सारी
है
चीजें ओवर द सीजंस आई मस्ट टेल यू जो मुझे लगा नहीं था कि ये शायद नहीं होता, बिकॉज अर्लियर फिल्मों में दिखाते थे. अब जैसे हैंगिंग इज समथिंग दैट डजंट हैपन, यूथनेशिया में मर्सी किलिंग कांट हैपन, ये सब चीजें हैं जो आई थिंक व्हेन यू आर ऑन अ लीगल शो यू रियलाइज. ऑफ कोर्स लिंगो की जहाँ तक बात करते हैं, बहुत सारे ऐसे टर्म्स हैं जो माय गॉड बहुत डिफिकल्ट है टू इवन मेमोराइज. सो देयर आर ये लाइक द आर्टिकल दिस ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला, सो वो बहुत ही टेक्निकल चीजें हैं and जो as a layman we don't know, we don't use, but being on this show I've learned quite a few things.
है ना? Yeah, you can be your own LLB with.
I'm like a mini lawyer now, so
Of
when
course.
anything happens I'm like, okay, probably trying to give advice now. You know what
that
I
happens.
feel.
in your real life also,
I
you're
think
like,
I think it could happen.
Yeah.
nobody can fool her now you can give a
Yeah,
little advice
I can
then.
fool anyone. Yes.
yes Neil, what have you realized so far?
I have a lot to learn, and I've also realized that when you are an actor and you have to wear fake earrings, I think usse acha just pierce your ears before the show and wear real earrings. That, Roshni, is what I've realized, because I had to wear these balis, and I swear after every shift I thought like sach mein pierce ho gaya.
Was that painful?
It
So
was
now
very
you can
painful.
relate to what women go through.
Yeah.
Yes, to some extent.
Right. Neha, one thing that we'd like to know, because we think that apart from being an actor, there's something slide into, आपके career, profession में भी कुछ slide देखने को मिल रहा है. Shall we expect कि बहुत जल्दी कुछ politics?
इस बार it was just to support my dad. वो थोड़ी बातें थी because I'm really grateful and to everybody who thought I could do it. But abhi, and it's not, I love it. And I personally would love to serve the people. And I feel like our country needs young politicians who could really put in the effort and do things. So yes, I'm not saying a no, but right now, because I feel like there were a few things that I needed to finish, and I personally don't know how people do it, but I would probably struggle to be at both places doing two different things
Yes.
which don't have anything in common. So gradually we'll see where life takes me, and I think God has a greater plan always. So.
Yeah, but then we have even seen shift like Smriti
Yeah, people have
Irani,
done
and
it,
recently
yes,
Rupali
people.
Ganguly has even, gone
Yeah.
ahead for the thing.
A lot of people have.
Yes. So
yes.
shall we expect a newer future, Neha? Would we?
Wow.
How do you see this, Neil?
I mean, I'm
I think
learning
Neil
now.
has no idea.
Yeah. I now know.
Then are you into politics like anyway?
Roshni, I don't do politics. Unfortunately, no. I work for the people, but I'm not so inclined as yet.
But we expect कि मतलब नेहा कहीं तो कुछ हो.
See, as a citizen of this country, I would feel like we have a responsibility, starting with voting. So everybody who's I mean, needs to
Yes.
vote, please go and vote. Apart from that, I feel like there's so much that we take, you know, from the people as actors and as entertainers. There's a lot of support and a lot of love that I've got from them. So at some point, I want to give it back to them in whatever capacity I can. And I see politics as somewhere, you know, you have that one-on-one equation with people which you cannot have in any other profession. And it just feels good to do something for someone. So yeah, for me, and also I'm politically inclined. So yes, it's different for me.
Let's hope for the best.
Yes.
Alright, please tell us lastly when and where we can see this Illegal season 3.
So we're releasing on the 29th of May, which is now in 7 days. We are coming on Jio Cinema. So please waqt nikaliye and watch our show because it's season 3 and it's going to be spicier than ever.
Oh, too much.
Alright, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Raj.
Thank you.